Hey guys, I just got a package. And if you know this wrapping or you've already seen the name of this video, you know what it is. It's an Erin Condren order. Let's get into the unboxing. Okay, before I even hop into this box, I wanna let you know, before I forget, that I have a coupon code in the description box. If you've never ordered with Erin Condren before, you can get $10 off your first order. I used one of these coupon codes when I first ordered, so it's definitely worth it and helps you get more bang for your buck. But let's jump in. I'm so excited. You guys know I'm a planner girl and I am a Erin Condren fan. So I cannot wait to check this all out. Guys, I am a huge fan of Erin Condren. Let me move my stuff out of the way here. I love the packaging. It's always adorable. It has been a while since I've placed an Erin Condren order, but I figured it was time. So let's see what I got in here. I'm gonna see if I can do this here with one hand. I got a list notepad. So excited. Okay. I actually got these as a gift, and hopefully my mom's not watching, and if she is, then she just ruined her prize. Surprise. Can I get this off with one hand? Yes, I can. Okay, so it's a tube list pad notebook, but I got this like pretty flower color at the top, so she could make lists at home, and I put her name on it, and it was a 2-pack. So I'm gonna give those to her for the next like holiday or whatever. So that's from my mom. And then you'll see why I ordered this in just a little bit. And I just thought they were so pretty. So pretty planner stickers. It's only one sheet, so it wasn't a good value. I think it was like $3 or something. Okay, I got these planner tabs, which I think will be very, very helpful. They're adhesive just for planning out the year for different planners that I'm using. This came free if you placed a certain amount of order. I can't remember if it was $75 or $100. They give you a free journal. And so I got to pick out which one. So I picked the goal setting journal. If you want to see what that looks like on the inside, let me know and I'll do like a separate video on that. I got another one of the months, and it's like a rose gold color and regular gold and silver. And then I ordered this notepad, and I'll show you why. For my fitness challenge groups that I do, I wanted to have a notepad so I could just write them notes and just have it be pretty. Sometimes I use note cards, but sometimes it's nice to have like a whole notepad. And so I did this for Rise Up Nation, which is my fitness girl squad. And this matches these stickers too, which I wish I had more of these, but it's just that pretty watercolor. And I think it's a 2-pack. It's a 6x8 notepad, and it just says Rise Up Nation on the bottom. So I got those. And then look, I got some journal covers. So I have a couple journals that I haven't been using. And so I wanted new covers for them. So it's interchangeable. So this is that same print I got in the paper and the stickers, and I got Rise Up Nation. Isn't it just so pretty? I don't know why, I just like the watercolor. Normally I'm a little bit more streamlined and I like stripes, but I just thought this was more fluid and just really pretty. If my sister's seeing this, it's gonna ruin it, but I ordered her own notebook, and I thought that would be a great gift with her birthday coming up. But she designed a life she loved, which I thought was perfect for her. It's pink. I just thought it was really pretty. And then I ordered another cover, which again, that watercolor bleeding, but just different colors. And I put Be Brave. And then this is for my coaches in our fitness group. So I have like coach calls that I do. And so just pushing myself outside my comfort zone, I liked the Be Brave, but I wanted to dedicate a whole notebook to just doing calls and pushing in my fitness world here. So that's the back cover. And then last but not least, so I ordered another journal. So those were journals that I already had. So I just ordered new covers for them. And then this one is for my daughter, and I'm going to give this to her. I haven't decided when, maybe when she graduates school this year, or maybe Valentine, I don't know yet, but I love that it says you are beautiful, capable, and worthy, and then put her name in it. And then this is the lined one with the spot for like extra tasks. So the best way to get things done is to begin. And this is just, you know, there's 3 different ways I think you can get the notebook. I think you can get lines all the way across, and you can also get like the dot grid, and then this one, which I think is great because then you can take notes And then if you think of like a to-do list while you're in the middle of your project, I thought this was super helpful. Or if I'm doing like calls with my coaches or my challengers for our fitness squad, I can do like the calls agenda here, but then announcements I need to put here. So I think that would be really, really great. And then it comes with some stickers in the back. That's how the journals come. So what's great is these covers are interchangeable, so I can change them around. And so you can always order more of these interchangeable covers, and they range between like $9 and like $12 depending on the one you get. But they're pretty firm, they're pretty good quality. So that is what is in my order this time. I am obsessed with Erin Condren. I just love the new ideas they're coming out with. And as you can see, I was really drawn to the watercolor theme this time around. And even with the painting with the flowers for my mom, I just thought they're just really pretty and simple, and she could just find some use in it. So, all right, guys, if you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.